Welcome back to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a powerful, yet simple exercise, high knees. This move is a fantastic way to boost your stamina, and it's a go-to for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Let's dive into why high knees should be part of your fitness routine. 1. Increases cardiovascular endurance. High knees are a high-intensity cardio exercise that gets your heart rate up fast. By consistently doing high knees, you'll improve your cardiovascular endurance, which helps you perform better in workouts and everyday activities. 2. Strengthens your core. This exercise targets your core muscles, as well as your legs. Each time you lift your knees, you engage your abs and obliques, making this a great exercise for toning and strengthening your midsection. 3. Improves speed and agility. By practicing high knees, you'll build explosive power and increase the speed of your leg movements. This helps improve agility and overall athletic performance, making it a great exercise for those looking to enhance their running or sports skills. 4. Burns calories quickly. Since high knees are a fast-paced, high-energy exercise, they're perfect for burning calories quickly. Whether you're aiming for weight loss or just want to increase your calorie burn during a workout, high knees are a great option. 5. No equipment required. One of the best things about high knees is that you don't need any equipment. This makes it easy to add to your routine, no matter where you are, whether at home, in the park, or at the gym. 6. Boosts stamina over time. Doing high knees consistently will boost your stamina, helping you power through more intense workouts and activities. You'll notice that your endurance improves, allowing you to go harder and longer in your fitness journey. Incorporate high knees into your daily workouts, and you'll see a big improvement in your stamina and overall fitness. Start today, and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel for more fitness tips. See you in the next one.